Have you ever stumbled upon FileCR while searching for free softwares and thought, is this a treasure trove or a trap? Well, let's dive right in and find out if FileCR is your new best friend or a digital danger zone. FileCR is a website offering free downloads of CAD software. Everything from design tools to video editors, it's tempting, right? But before you click download, let's see if it's as safe as they claim. Some users report smooth sailing with FileCR. One Redditor mentioned that he used it for months without any issues. They say the site tries to keep downloads clean and some antivirus tools don't flag their files. But is that enough? On the flip side, others have encountered problems that they don't recommend FileCR because of these security issues. So what's the verdict? Is FileCR safe or not? It's like getting a mystery box. Sometimes you open it and find something amazing like a new software tool that actually works. Other times you find a virus that's more cringy than your ex at a reunion. Not the kind of surprise you want. So in my point of view, FileCR isn't inherently dangerous, but it's a mixed bag. While some files might be safe, others could pose risk. If you choose to use it, ensure you have robust antivirus protection and scan files before opening them. Let me know in the comment section, have you ever used FileCR and what's your experience? I would love to know about that. Until then, hit that subscribe button for more tech insights and stay safe out there.